Do you want to hide apps on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile? In this video, I will show you how to hide apps in your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile and also how to unhide the hidden apps. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So let's get started. Here you can see all my apps are visible right now. But in just a few steps, I will show you how to hide them easily. If you want to hide your apps, then first of all open Moto Unplugged application, which is pre-installed on your Moto G85 5G mobile. After that, click on Customize. Then here you tap on Allowed Apps. Here you can see all your installed apps. Now select the apps you don't want to hide and uncheck the ones you want to keep hidden. After that, tap on Save. Then click on Interruptions. After that, tap on Calls. Here you can choose if you want to receive calls while this feature is active. If yes, then select anyone and go back from here. You can also tap on Notifications and choose what you want to allow. Then go back to the first page of the app. After that, tap on Start. Then select a season time based on how long you want this feature to stay active. So here I will select no time limit. Once selected, tap on Start to apply the settings. Then tap on OK. Now you can see that all my apps are hidden except for the ones I didn't hide. Now I will show you how to unhide the hidden apps or deactivate this feature. If you want to deactivate the feature, then tap on End button from here. After that, tap on Yes. Now all apps are unhid. So by this process, you can hide and unhide apps on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.